everyone. I hope you're enjoying the training. I know I did. It's an absolute fabulous course. So let me introduce myself. My name is Sue and I currently live in Hertfordshire with hubby and my 4-year-old. So I first met Ian and Wendy on the 2-day intensive course last October at Wembley. And then shortly after, I started the Mastermind. Since I've joined the Mastermind, the mentoring program has served me really well. I have gained confidence through education, but not only just with HMOs, with market in general, the property cycles, the latest market trends, the economy, sales and marketing, all sorts of areas of property investing. So I currently now have 3 HMOs. So how did I get all of these 3? First of all, I took action. And that would be my first advice to anyone that is considering going into property investment, and particularly HMOs. It's all about taking action. So I think we all fall victim to overanalyzing and trying to find, the best deal. But the one thing that we all have to do is we have to take action. And by taking action, I mean that you have to book lots of viewings in. So I called the agents, and I think our first day with Ian and I, we saw 11 properties. And I think in the first month we saw well over 30. And so from there, I've managed to secure 3 offers, and my journey began in HMOs. Being part of the Mastermind Group allowed me to gain more knowledge, but also be a part of an amazing group of people that are motivating you every day and taking action and getting results, which is what it's all about. So what's the Mastermind Group, I hear you say? Well, it's absolutely amazing. The group is full of educated, experienced, helpful and inspiring people that are with you every minute of the day to succeed in your HMO journey. The webinars are full of great content. Guest speakers are amazing. They provide great advice, and they just allow you just get a really good understanding of the property market. The people are very genuine. Everybody wants you to help and guide you in the right way. The online platform, which is teachable, it's very useful content. From the webinars, you get webinars on insurance, on accountancy, on the legal side. There's even commercial property, all the forms that you need, the marketing, the sales, how to use Google Drive if you're not really tech savvy. It's basically everything you need from start to finish. So there's also a WhatsApp group on the Mastermind, which is really great. So if you've got a burning question at 6 o'clock in the morning that you want answering and you haven't found the answer on Google, just pop your question in WhatsApp, and there's always someone there to, answer your question. But not just someone, it's those people that have already walked into those shoes. So you want someone that's already been doing HMOs, they've got the experience, they're in the zone at the moment, and they're the right people to answer your questions, because there is a lot of people on Facebook, and there's loads of advice out there, and you don't really know which one to take on board. But with this group, I can assure you that there's lots of experience, and everyone's well on their way to achieving their results. So what advice I'll give to anyone considering enrolling on the Mastermind? Well, I can only assume that you're on a 2-day course because you value the importance of investing in yourself. If you continue with that mindset for the next 12 months, you'll be in a great position to succeed. and achieve the results that you really want to achieve. I know it's been the best purchase I've made in years. No regrets. Wendy and Ian are so genuine. They are really there to help you, and they want you to succeed. So I hope to see you all on the Mastermind, and enjoy the rest of your training. Bye.